Today I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Gmail from sending you emails. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're dealing with persistent spam, unwanted marketing messages, or simply someone you no longer wish to receive communication from. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. Once there, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. You'll need to be logged in to access the blocking features and manage your email preferences effectively. Now, locate an email from the sender you want to block and open it. This step is necessary because Gmail's blocking feature works directly from the email itself, allowing you to quickly take action without navigating through multiple menus. Once the email is open, look toward the top right area of the message, just next to the reply button. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent the More button. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take on this email. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Block, followed by the sender's name. This option tells Gmail that you no longer want to receive emails from this particular address. It's a straightforward way to filter out unwanted communication without having to set up complex rules or filters manually. After clicking Block, a confirmation pop-up window will appear on your screen. This is Gmail's way of making sure you really want to block this sender, as it's a significant action that will affect all future emails from them. Click the Block button in this pop-up to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, all future emails from this sender will automatically be redirected to your spam folder, keeping your inbox clean and organized. You'll immediately see a confirmation message stating that the sender is now blocked. This gives you peace of mind that the action has been completed successfully and is now in effect. If you ever need to review who you've blocked or want to unblock someone, Gmail makes this easy to manage. Click the settings icon, which looks like a gear, located at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. From the menu that appears, select See All Settings to access the full configuration options. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Scroll down until you reach the Blocked Addresses section, where you'll find a complete list of all email addresses you've blocked. If you decide to unblock someone, simply click the unblock link next to their email address, and they'll be able to reach your inbox again. Thanks for watching.